about this in about this power bank in China about 5 or 6 years ago. It's Long March. If it's called Long March, it's got to be good. It's Yobao, and the model number is YB-642. Capacity 1200 milliamp hours. I tried to plug this in to charge it the other day, and it just fell in the receptacle for the charger. It's rattling around. Hear it rattling around in there. So I think I'll have to open this up and see if I can solder it back. Welcome to my messy workshop. So, well, what do you know? Not even connected. Put in there just to make it feel heavy and make it a bit more dangerous. Yeah, no point in soldering that on. No sign of these two batteries ever being soldered onto anything. On either side. These connections are actually welded on. And then soldering here, welded on, soldering here, no sign of any welding or any solder on these. Ridiculous, and maybe a bit dangerous. Garbage. What people do to save a little money. So that's the Long March, or maybe the Short March, model YB-642 Yubao. Don't waste your money.